So, if you don't know what Flappy Birds is, it basically is a mobile game which was launched in around 2003 and it got over 50 million downloads, which at that time was a huge number. And today we are trying to recreate some of the game. So, the basic idea is that we'll have a bird and a spear, and we have to save the bird from the spear. As we are making an endless runner game, we have two ideas to make the background endless. First is to make a collider, and when the bird hits the collider, the background is deleted and a new is spawned. Or the second way is to create the background, the child of the bird. As to make an endless runner game, we need the background endless too, which I found a very easy tutorial from Danny. And then after copying the code, by which I mean learning the tutorial along with it and following it, I got this as the result. No, not this one, not this one. Yeah, I got this as the result. Yeah, remember when we talked about the second way of creating it the child? Yeah, I did the same. Yes, I am big brain. And after which I added the bird and the animation for the bird, which took me pretty much some time, and I added a script. Now I need to learn how to add a pause menu, which I simply found a tutorial from Brackies, which I'll link down below. And it's a very nice tutorial, you might want to follow it. And so I got this is the result. The next thing we want to do is create a spawner which will keep on spawning spears and throw it towards the bird. So for the spawner I started doing the script and I came up with something like this, and I got this as the result. Yeah, so I again went through the code again and I kept looking at the code for like another hour, and then I came to know about what the real problem was. The actual problem I got was with the term instantiate, which is basically creating a clone of the prefab. But instead of creating a clone of the prefab, it was creating the clone of the image, due to which we got this error or the glitch. And after coming to know about the problem, I again went and did some coding, which was a very easy task for me. And this is the result. And then I added a simple script so that when the bird collides with the spear, it destroys the bird and the game is over. And this is pretty much the game. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.